This came in yesterday. Got a bed cover, so I'm gonna do the installation on this today so y'all can see for the S10. If y'all wanna see what I got, here it is. You wanna order it yourself, order it off Amazon. That's it. Quick, easy bed cover on. I don't know, I'm gonna show y'all all the numbers so y'all make sure. I don't know which one the right number, but this it though, pretty much. You look up that company, just the bed cover. So we're gonna get this installed, and I'm gonna check back in and show y'all the process. All right, so I just got it out the box, y'all. Excuse everything in the bed, working on it. I get the 1 gallon put in there. I don't even know if I even showed y'all I got this. It's been so long in the video, but I got a 1 gallon we're gonna do a dedicated system for the nitrous. So that's what they're for. Shout out to Jarvis for donating that to me. Silver Bullet, the Silver Bullet S10. That's where I got that from. So should make my truck go 3/10 faster. We're gonna go 3/10 faster. They go Uncle over there. I know y'all ain't seen him in a minute. He over there working on the Tahoe right now. Gotta do stuff like that, keep shop going and all of that. You know, stuff like this is a process, these long bills. Quick update, got that one finished. LS powered Monte Carlo, he was tuning on it and getting the power in it, cause they got the motor built. It wasn't performing like it should, so they brought it over here and he got it right. So the Malibu over there getting completed, and that's it right now. Cheapskate. Gotta get the wheels put on and all of that, the new wheels, and that's it. But this what's in the box. This the cover right here, and let's see what this was. It's some hardware. I guess there's some hardware right here, and these the rails. So I'm gonna get this stuff unpackaged and check back in. All right, I got everything cut open, so this will come in the box. These are clamps. They go inside of here, hold the side rails on. These are rails. One go on this side, vertical, and then the other one go on the other side. Velcro strap, and then the bars are built into the cover, as you can see. So I'm gonna record as I go. I ain't got no way to set my camera up this time. I left my Gorilla Pod, so I'm recording a little bit as I go, show y'all as it come together. But for now, I'm finna start with the side rails, get them clamped down, and then we'll get to the rest of it. All right, so I got this side on. It's not completely tight, cause you know, in case I have to adjust it or something like that. But the way these work, you set your rail. This is the Velcro side right here. You set your rail over here, and these clamp onto it. So you remove, you gotta completely remove this screw, and see it's gonna sit like that. Y'all see that slot, that slit in it? It sits on where it's a groove. It's a groove on the inside of this rail, and it falls down in there, holding it in place. So let me see. Real inexpensive cover too. So I got the screw out. Let's separate like that. Take this and you gotta kind of space them out. And see what I'm talking about? Sitting in that groove right there. And then this part just goes in and hooks up under there like that and holds it tight. Then you put your screw back in. So let me go ahead and get this side done, and then I'll update y'all on the next step. All right, I got a little too ahead of myself, but the cover, the bars attached to the cover, this the middle support bar. It is removable, but the front is not. And what it's made to slip. It's kind of dark, but it's made to slip into this rail, and then that screw right there, you tighten that screw down, and it holds it all in place. Then you can go ahead and tighten these down, which is what I'm doing now, because everything positioned like it need to be. Then you roll your cover back, and that should be it. It snaps in here. But I'm gonna get these tightened down, then roll it back and let y'all see it. All right, so I got it all rolled out, and the way this operates, it's a strap right here. When you pull that, come in, fold over. The tailgate got to be down too. Then you let it go. That's it. That's how it look. It look good, so.
Yeah, it really do look good. I put on my full size truck.
Oh yeah, easy to install too, y'all. Yeah, easy to install. I think I paid $70 for it or something. It might have been $80 shipped from Amazon. I put the link down in the description if y'all want to get it, but I think it's about $80. I wanted something cheap. That's the brand, or you can look it up yourself too. That's the brand, and I wanted something cheaply built truck, just but it do the job. And that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. We're gonna get a few more things done, and we'll check back in with y'all on the next one.
Summer days just sitting around, but when the sun goes down, I'll be ready to party. Ain't nothing like them summer nights.